Bring the wall. 32 counts, 4 walls, intermediate. Weight on the left. Section 1. Step right to the back diagonal, hip push. Open body to the left. Recover together, left, side rock, cross. A small quarter back, lock left, in front. Quarter forward, facing 6. Quarter touch, back to 12. Count section 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Section 2. Press right forward, recover, shuffle half turn, facing 6. Step, pivot half, back to 12. Kick, out, out, in, cross. Count section 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Section 3. Side left, 2 back pedal, total making half turn. Quarter, quarter, weight still on the left. Behind, quarter forward, facing 3. 2 forward pedal, making half turn. Pedal, pedal, put weight on the right. Count section 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Behind with hitch, rounded back. Behind, side, cross. Knee pop, up, down. Left, side rock, cross. Quarter back, facing 6. Half forward, facing 12. That's the end of the dance. To start a new wall again, make a quarter turn with hip push. 1. Count section 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and. Start again. 1. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and wall 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. Start again.